To integrate this, hopefully you realize your u is always the piece kind of as the embedded piece, and that is the embedded piece, that power. And if I derive that, a lot of people when they derive this can easily mess up, but you bring the 2 down, you do 3 minus x, that's a first power, it's chain rule, but then a lot of people forget to derive 3 minus x. What's 3 minus x? It's negative 1. Oh, and dx. From there, I need this to disappear, don't I? I need a 3 minus x and the dx to disappear into a du. And don't I have a 3 minus x and a dx there? So to get it by itself, I need to divide by, I'm going to divide by negative 2. So I have du over negative 2 equals 3 minus x dx. So altogether it looks like we have a negative 1/2, and looks like we have a 7 to the u du. 7 to the u, this becomes du, and then this du over 1/2, negative 1/2, I bring the 1/2 out, negative. Du stays out. And to integrate this, that's a simple integral. You're going to like these integrals. It's simply going to be, leave the 1/2, negative. It's simply going to be 7 to the u, but over ln 7 plus c. And do you think you would miss points on a test if you left that? Yes. What do you have to do last? Plug the u back in. So what I see here is I would probably see a negative 1 times 7 to the 3 minus x squared over 2 ln 7 plus c. Now, there are different things you can do to this. I'm going to show you an answer you can do to this. It's kind of going to, this is going to be fine on a free response. But let's think about something. Could I bring that negative down to the bottom? Could I then bring that negative 2 and bring it up here, make that 7 to the negative second power? Could that be ln 1 over 49? I know it's screwy, but you could change the inside of this. You wouldn't do it. I'm just saying, what if something got changed? That would be ln 1 over 49. You could do that. I wouldn't do that. I'm just showing you that if it's a free response, different ways to change things. Now, what some people are going to do too, they're going to think this negative 1 could jump up to that squared. The only time the number in front can jump up if it's the ln. If it's in front of an ln, it could jump up as a power. Some people think this, oh, if I get up here, make that a negative second power. You can't do that. So this is good enough, totally, but you could also take this 2 up here or change it to a negative and put it up there, just for different versions of the same answer.